Hey there, viewers. No time for the gym this week? That's rough. But here's the good news. You can still get in a good workout. How often do you do push-ups? Let's discuss the benefits of doing push-ups on the regular. Will you grow stronger? Does your cardiovascular system enhance? How about my posture? Can it improve? We're talking all that and more. 1. Improves your muscle definition. Getting in a few good sets of push-ups on the regular will get you shredded. You want to know how? Well, it's a little more complex than simply getting on the ground and pushing your body weight upward. So buckle up. Since there are several different kinds of push-ups, you can work a different muscle with each method. With standard push-ups, your hands are shoulder width apart. This works your triceps. With wide push-ups, the distance between your hands is twice as long. This will pump up your chest. With narrow push-ups, your hands are placed closer together. This benefits both your triceps and pectorals. With forward push-ups, your hands are a shoulder width apart, except they are placed about 20 centimeters in front. Backwards push-ups have your hands placed 20 centimeters behind. Both forward and backward methods work your abs and back muscles. This will have you looking pumped up and in good enough shape to hit the beach this summer. 2. Your joints receive some help. Forget looking cut for a second. Let's discuss your joints. Your joints are the part of the body where two or more bones meet. This allows them to properly function. If they have been suffering lately, it is probably best you begin a push-up regimen. Push-ups are a multi-joint exercise. If you are concerned about your muscles and tendons around your shoulder, start doing sets on a regular basis. While there is no set amount of push-ups for everyone, you should do as many as you can. Various health professionals recommend you do 3 sets of 12 reps. Push-ups can greatly benefit your cardiovascular system. The exercise forces your heart to work harder, which in turn produces more oxygen. This oxygen is then sent to your muscles' tissues. But in order for you to get the best results, you need to go hard. In a 2019 study involving male firefighters, those who could complete 40 push-ups in a 30-second time frame enjoyed a lower risk of heart disease and cardiovascular issues over the next 10 years. If you want to engage in any type of exercise, you need to make sure your lungs are in tip-top shape first. Hold that thought. Before we continue our list, are you concerned about your health and searching for various ways to improve it? Perhaps you should check out our video on wheatgrass and its many benefits on your body. Are you worried about possible head trauma? Have a look at our recent video discussing 8 warning signs you could have a concussion. Now, back to our list on the benefits of regular push-ups. They protect your shoulders. If there is one injury you don't want, it's to your rotator cuff. This is the joint that allows your shoulder muscles and tendons to function. As we get older, our shoulders become increasingly more vulnerable to damage or injury, which is why proper exercise is necessary. The stronger your shoulders, the better they are at preventing injury. The action of doing push-ups works to stabilize your shoulder muscles surrounding your rotator cuff. If the workout is done properly, your shoulders can also become more flexible, helping you function better. This will improve your ability to work physically, especially when it comes to hard labor and athletics. So if you'd like to create that perfect spiral, the next time you launch the old pigskin, try doing more push-ups. While they are great for your arms and chest, the standard push-up form will put your shoulders to work. They build your core. Strutting down the beach and showing off that washboard set of abs is any fitness junkie's dream. If you'd like to see it come true, you need to do a solid amount of push-ups. Remember how we talked about forward and backward forms? These are the ideal methods in securing that amazing core you've wished for. And not only will it look good, it will also be healthy and strong. strong. Now, when I say core, I'm talking about everything from the abdominals to the waist, all the way to the pelvis region. These ab muscles are broken down into two groups: mobilization muscles and stabilization muscles. Stabilization muscles help to maintain a healthy posture and support the body, while mobilization muscles allow our body to move. Proper push-ups strengthen each of these key areas, reinforcing a healthy back, enabling you to run faster and enhancing your flexibility. If your core is too weak, it will only aid in back problems and injuries. You can also grow tired much quicker. If you happen to be a runner, gymnast, you're in trouble. Much like your shoulders, stabilizing your core muscles through exercise is crucial to injury prevention. They maintain your balance. To put it simply, push-ups help keep you from falling over. The exercise trains your proprioceptive muscle fibers, which in turn keep your body balanced. You may not know it, but just the act of doing a single push-up puts your body to the test. When placing yourself in the push-up position, your muscles are already working to prevent you from collapsing. Attempting to push yourself upward is a different story. Your nerves react to help your body from tipping over and try desperately to keep you stable. If you're doing 12 reps in a set, think about just how much that's helping your balance. Have you been getting your push-ups lately? Has this video made you want to start? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.